Hi everybody, welcome to another how-to series video of TSANet. Today we're going to talk about a new feature that's coming out called Selective Process Documents. And before we get into the details of how to set it up, I want to talk just a little bit about what it's about. The reason we created this feature was because we're getting quite a few requests for those that were in the large open group memberships like Basic and Premium that they wanted the ability to be able to direct a company or a series of companies through a different process, as opposed to having one process apply to every company. So what we did was we created the ability for you to do this. I'll give you an idea how it's set up. It is required that TSANet staff get involved in the administration piece of it. For your part in it, what you need to do is let us know that you'd like to set this up and how you'd set it up, and then you just actually go in and create that other process document, which is something obviously that we can't do for you. So let's walk through that process real quick on how you create an additional process document. In this case, the scenario we're going to set up is I'm with a company called Globex, and I've decided that I want anytime EMC to get a hold of me in the premium TSANet, that I want to provide them with a different process. So as a programmer or a business manager, I'm actually logged in as a business manager. I'm going to go into my departments tab, and I'm going to go ahead and go in here through my Support Americas division, and you can see here I've got a process document for the classic basic TSANet, one for mission critical premium. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a process document for the mission critical process for EMC only. So if I click here on add another variation, I'll go ahead and select mission critical premium. So at this stage, you're just setting it up just like you would anything else. When you get to the variation name, what I would definitely do is put in here something that will give you an indication that this is for EMC only, because otherwise you're not going to be able to differentiate between this process document and others. So I'll go ahead and select process, and for the instructions, which I obviously would elaborate quite a bit on, I'm just going to put in here for EMC only, so you can get an idea how this will work. I've also going to select escalation manager, program manager. Go ahead and put in an escalation process. Obviously, you'd want to do something a little bit more than that. I'll go ahead and save this document. Now, what's happened is that document's going to come to TSANet for approval, and we'll go ahead and set it up for you. For your part, that's really all that needs to be done. Everything else is taken care of on the TSANet administration side. Okay, to give you an idea how this works, I've gone ahead and done all the administration things that I need to do on the TSANet end to make this work, and I've gone back and I've logged in as EMC, and you can see now when I go to my directory tab and I pick on Globex, and we'll go through the decision tree, that when I go to the mission critical premium relationship, now I'm only going to see that document that was created for my company. So that's all there is to it. I think it's a really neat little feature. A lot of companies would probably take advantage of it, and we hope